नमस्कार दोस्तों। डे ट्रेड इनसाइट की डेली मार्केट रिपोर्ट सेगमेंट में आपका स्वागत है। आज 22 जनवरी, हैप्पी दिवाली मैं आप लोगों को विश करता हूं। आज राम मंदिर की भी स्थापना हुई है और उसी मोटिवेशन से, उसी प्राण प्रतिष्ठा की मोटिवेशन से आज के रिपोर्ट को हम डिस्कशन करते हैं। मैं दो रिपोर्ट्स लाया हूं, एक 19 जनवरी का रिपोर्ट है और एक 20 जनवरी के स्टॉक मार्केट का रिपोर्ट है। जो डे ट्रेड इनसाइट रेगुलरली एनालिसिस करता है डेटा का, डेटा हम नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के वेबसाइट से कलेक्ट करते हैं एंड इस डेटा को इक्विटी मार्केट और डेरिवेटिव्स मार्केट के सेगमेंट से हम पिक करते हैं और उसके बाद उसे एनालाइज करते हैं और एनालिसिस करने के बाद आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इंक्लूड करने के बाद सेंटिमेंट एनालिसिस करते हैं और अपने व्यूअर्स के लिए डिस्कशंस करते हैं। जैसा कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं, daytradeinsight.com एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पे हम इम्प्रूव डिसीजन मेकिंग, बेटर फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन मेकिंग के लिए कंटेंट, टूल्स, स्ट्रैटेजीज, इंडिकेटर्स ये बिल्ड करते हैं एंड सेबी रजिस्टर्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइजर्स के साथ में जो इन्वेस्टर्स हैं उनको कनेक्ट करते हैं सो दैट आप लोग बेटर फाइनेंशियल डिसीजंस ले पाएं विद द हेल्प ऑफ टूल्स, strategies, indicators, along with an expert advice registered from SEBI. आज के सेशन को स्टार्ट करते हैं स्टॉक मार्केट एनालिसिस। इंडिविजुअली हम एक बार क्विकली स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम 19 जनवरी का रिपोर्ट। 19 जनवरी को हमने देखा था कि इंडेक्स फ्यूचर्स में हाई सेलिंग हुई थी, अराउंड 5,439 करोड़ की सेलिंग हुई थी विच वाज हायर, सो सेंटिमेंट बेरिश था। फिर निफ्टी थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव था। इसके बाद में बैंक निफ्टी फ्यूचर्स का भी सेंटिमेंट बेरिश था। ये जो भी अमाउंट आप देख रहे हैं सेलिंग अमाउंट है करोड्स में, विच इज ग्रेटर दैन फ्रॉम द बाइंग amount which is in red, and the green which you are seeing is a higher amount in buying. अब अगर हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं तो निफ्टी फ्यूचर्स में भी शॉर्टिंग हुई थी, शॉर्टिंग एज इन बेयरिश सेंटिमेंट था। इसके बाद में अगर आप देखते हैं इंडेक्स ऑप्शंस में काफी ज्यादा बाइंग थी और वो इट वाज हायर विद रेस्पेक्ट टू सेलिंग अमाउंट। इंडेक्स ऑप्शंस में इंटरेस्ट है इन्वेस्टर्स का, वो हम देख सकते हैं। ये फॉरेन इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स का डेटा है जो मैं अभी आप लोगों के साथ में डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ। एफआईज की बाइंग और सेलिंग पोजीशंस हैं जो अभी हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। इसके बाद में अगर हम देखते हैं मिड कैप निफ्टी बेरिश सेंटिमेंट था, फिर निफ्टी बेरिश सेंटिमेंट था, निफ्टी ऑप्शंस बेरिश थे, बैंक निफ्टी ऑप्शंस बुलिश सेंटिमेंट है और स्टॉक फ्यूचर्स एंड स्टॉक ऑप्शंस बुलिश था। इससे हम एक एस्टिमेशन कर सकते थे कि ठीक है, 20th का जो ट्रेड है वो हम इंडेक्स के ऊपर शॉर्ट आप कंसिडर कर सकते थे और नॉर्मल स्टॉक ऑप्शंस के ऊपर आप ट्रेड्स ले सकते थे। 19 जनवरी के जो टॉप स्टॉक्स थे, जो टॉप 5 स्टॉक्स थे, उसमें आरती इंडस्ट्री सबसे हाईएस्ट गेनर था, फॉलोड बाय आरईसी लिमिटेड, आईआरसीटीसी, इंडिया मार्ट एंड मन्नापुरम। प्रीवियस हमने जो 18 जनवरी का रिपोर्ट किया था उसमें हमने आईआरसीटीसी को रिकमेंड तो हम नहीं करते हैं, इनफैक्ट हमारे ओपन इंटरेस्ट स्क्रीनर टूल के ऊपर अवेलेबल था। जो भी रिकमेंडेशंस आपको चाहिए वो सेबी रजिस्टर्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइजर्स हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे अवेलेबल हैं और जहां से आप उनके थ्रू अपना एक्सेस रिकमेंडेशंस आप उनसे प्रोक्योर कर सकते हैं। सेबी रजिस्टर्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइजर प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिस्टर डी अग्रवाल हैं। ही इज अ सीजन्ड फाइनेंशियल advisor and research analyst. He has done his education MBA finance. He has done his graduation from IIT Kanpur. He overall has 10 plus years of experience with financial institutions and 15 plus years in stock markets. He guide people in stocks and options, and in order to get the real-time recommendations and greater analytics, and in order to make informed decisions, you can subscribe D. Agarwal on daytradeinsight.com platform. Let's get back to the report. Here, if you see, these were top 5 highest returns stocks on 19th of January. Followed by top lowest stocks were Zeal, Dixon, IndusInd Bank, Chambal Fertilizers, and Chola Mandalam Finance. Then there were stocks where we had increased volatility, which means volatility increases when we have, some anticipated news coming in. So there was volatility on Aarti Industries, there was volatility on ABB, Astral, Balkrishna Industries, Bharti Airtel, BHEL, Britannia, Coromandel, Cummins India, Dixon, Escort. So this is uh, ordered in a format. It is sorted in A to Z format, just to show you the significant increase in what stocks you can quickly identify. So you can see that ABB has higher. Balkrishna Industry was very higher. Bharti Airtel had a higher, volatility. Britannia had a higher volatility, and followed by Dixon had a higher volatility, and so these were the stocks with increase in volatility. Apart from that, we had stocks where we had decrease in volatility also, which included Adani Enterprises, DLF, Hero MotoCorp, Idea, Jubilant Food, Laurus Labs, SBI Card, and Sun TV. And apart from that, we had a underlying volatility comparison with the current day volatility with respect to futures daily volatility. We compare that, and on the basis of that, we calculate volatility comparison regularly. So you can consider them as the highly volatile stocks for a respective day. And then we have, the bulk deals which has been done. So there were bulk deals happening on Grasim, selling was happening. Then there was a buy sell on RBNL. The important were Arihant Academy Limited, selling was happening. Then if we see singles, so APS, Australian Prem Solar. So here buying happened. Mansi Share and Stock Advisors Private Limited has bought this stock at an average price of 154 APS, followed by then if we find some single stocks, USK selling happened, and overall other stocks there were sellings. Okay, so this could be one stock, Australian Prem Solar, which you can explore on TradingView and see the performance, and make an informed decision. Make an informed decision. Followed by here, then we had the security delivery data information. So there were high number of deliveries happened as well. So now moving on to the next day report. Now today we are analyzing for 20th of January so that we can anticipate what might happen in tomorrow's market. So again, after 19th of January, on the basis of data, what happened next day, if we quickly observe. So again, there was selling in the market. Eventually, there was very high selling among index futures and bank Nifty futures. There was selling. Nifty futures, there was selling. Then we can see in index options, there was high selling. And then there were high selling on Nifty options, bank Nifty options, and only futures. Buying happened in futures. Otherwise, every front, there was huge selling. And if you can quickly see, the top highest returning elements were Balkrishna Industries, IRCTC, Apollo Tyre, MRF, and Colombia. So tire manufacturers and railway stocks, coal, tire, and railway were performing pretty well on that day. Followed by, if we see the lowest returns stock, there were Hindustan Unilever, Canfin Homes, Oracle Finance, About India, and Waters. Now, if we can quickly observe, there is significant increase in About India, Tire, and Balkrishna Industries. If you can quickly see, followed by we have Colgate Family, Godrej Consumer Product, Hindustan Unilever. Again, there's a significant increase in volatility. So you can quickly explore the market about what could be anticipated. Then there were increase in Laurus Labs, McDowell. There is a significant increase. Nestle India, significant increase is identified. Then we have increase in stocks like TCS, Torrent Pharma. There is a significant increase in the volatility, which was observed on 20th January. And on the basis of this, we can plan our market for tomorrow. Then there were significant decreases in the volatility, where we had Bank Nifty, Bell, Dr. Reddy's, Jindal Steel, followed by we can see ONGC and so. So here, with respect to the volatility comparisons, there were significant decreases in the volatility with respect to current and futures. Okay. Now, so this volatility difference is calculated between the current volatility, the daily volatility, and the futures daily volatility. Okay. On the basis of that, we filtered volatility comparisons, and there are some n number of stocks which we have sorted on the basis of volatility comparisons, how volatile these stocks are, and you can do an individual, research on these stocks in order to gain an understanding of what might perform best in the next, trading sessions, and you can seek specific advice from SEBI registered investment advisors. So do subscribe, Mr. D. Agarwal, where you can get, great advices on how you can trade regularly from the market and make great returns. Apart from that, then we have the delivery data available. And on the delivery, these are the bulk deals which happened. Only block deals were in PBM avenues. It's a regular process, it seems. Abhishek Mayur Desai is transferring his stocks, to Sonal Desai, and Sonal Desai is transferring back to Abhishek Mayur Desai. Now, coming back to the bulk deals happens. So if you can see Cupid Limited, there were deals happened on Cupid, buying happened on Cupid, then buying happened on Sorani, followed by, if we can see, Global Surfaces Limited, buying happened. Then followed by, if we can see, QFIL, Quality Foils India Limited, Hardev Singh Saini has bought it. Buying happened on QFIL. Then if we see Oil Count Up, buying happened. Oil Country Tubular Limited. So Mr. Guti Konda Rajashekhar, he has bought around 3 lakh shares at 58 rupees. So you can see that there are interests on various stocks which have been bought on that day. So you can also keep a focus on these buyings which were done. Followed by, then we have, these are the deliverable shares of individual equity stocks which has been done on that day. So you can see that GTL Infra 100% deliveries were taken. Uptown, Shantel, all of these are great, buys on equity, which are already people are, holding it. Now, moving on to some new stocks, if we can quickly see, which could bring or draw our attention. So if we can see, so these are the stocks. These are the equity segment stocks, and this is the percentage of the delivery of these stocks. So you can, eventually go through the list and make informed trading decisions in order to make better profits from the market. So now you can see that a huge analysis is done. And if you're seeking advices, so SEBI registered investment advisor, Mr. D. Agarwal, is available on daytradeinsight.com platform. So you can subscribe Daytrade Insight and you can get personal, research, analysis, and investment advisory consultation with Mr. D. Agarwal, where he can guide you with what you can buy and, how you can make great profits out of the market regularly. Now, moving on to the Daytrade Insight blog back. So now let's quickly see what we have got on the scanner. So you can take a, you can get into the scanner and you can quickly observe here are the stocks which have been identified for the day, where there are, action happening. So PFC, Bandhan Bank, Wipro, Adani Enterprises, Oro Pharma, and TCS. So these are the stocks which, are seeing in significance. So you can, quickly explore what is being expected. So if we can quickly observe here, TCS, there is a significant increase in volatility happening. So whether this volatility is uptrend or downtrend, that you can get through better analysis. Okay. And in order to get the deep down analysis of what is happening and what could be the future of how the stock might move, for that you can get expert advice from SEBI registered investment advisors. So you can subscribe and we can guide you. Mr. D. Agarwal, SEBI registered research analyst, he can guide you well about how you can handle such market conditions and make great profits out of it. And as well as with respect to the analytical target hits, if you can quickly observe, Day Trade Insight has successfully delivered 140 technical hits. Regularly, we give great hits, and the hits provided by the analytical analysis under the supervision of SEBI registered research analysts. You can quickly observe there are great percentage of returns which has been accomplished. So estimations were done and they were accomplished. So you can reach out to daytradeinsight.com, upgrade to premium, and you can gain more and more insights about it. So TCS, Wipro, you can keep an eye on IT stocks tomorrow about, there are increased volatility among those stocks. We'll quickly check for pharma also, if we have something. Okay. Let me see for pharma. So our pharma only we have the delivery, nothing on the volatility scanner. But eventually, you will, you can do a little more analysis and explore. And there are, a complete analysis of the data is available on the platform as well for you to get started. So suppose if I open analyze data, and here if I quickly observe, so you can see currently puts are making money. And calls have already lost around 50% of the money as of now in this case. And if we can quickly see here, so calls are losing money and puts are making money as of now. And later, you have to eventually see what is the, you can get the appropriate recommendations about the movement of this by an expert SEBI registered investment advisor who will evaluate this table analysis, all the data related to the market, and can guide you well about how you can proceed in an appropriate direction and in what direction you can, buy your stocks and hedge your positions with the, calls and puts, which means the options. So guys, I believe you had a great day. Join daytradeinsight.com. Upgrade to premium and subscribe to SEBI registered investment advisors on platform. Have a great day.